Hey, today I'm going to talk to you about how high tech is helping the Israeli war. How Israel has pulled from its tech sector and from all over the world to develop technology to help them in this war effort. And we're going to get into that with great detail. Don't go away and stay till the end. You're going to see a lot of information.
Where tanks and troops prepare to move in.
They have gathered the best minds in tech from all over the world to create and use for their efforts.
We have teams that are working on technology, cutting-edge technology like AI, like facial recognition, voice recognition, trying to match patterns of movements and all the stuff.
Tel Aviv's burgeoning tech sector using their special skills at a time when their country needs them the most.
What they're doing is they're using AI and social media platforms and all sources of information where people's pictures are, people's information are, data from all over the world. The internet is a great source of information. And they're putting it together, and this is what they're doing.
We worked day and night.
Recognizing the agony of families unable to find loved ones after the October 7th attack, Reuven, a software developer for California-based Palo Alto Systems, says in just 24 hours he created the framework for an app now used by hospitals, police, and the Israeli army, pulling together pictures and data, helping to identify those killed or wounded.
The authorities log inside and they put some filters on the data, like what is the gender, the eye color, the hair color, the body type, does he have tattoos, what is his height.
Victims unknown for days now identified in just minutes. Tech teams are also analyzing videos, social media posts, searching for hostages and those.
What this means is now technology, social media platforms, all types, information that you've been giving to your bank, information that you've been giving to everywhere is stored somewhere in a computer, and it can be used with a combination of AI to find out whatever is needed. That means that the Israeli army can find any person in the world, and then they are searching. Remember that with using a use of AI, if they have a picture, they can look at where the picture is, the time and date, because realize it or not, phones transmit GPS coordinates. That means they can tell from the phone data where you are, where that person is, and they can track that person relentlessly. There is no place to hide in the world anymore with AI. And that's what's going on. Let's continue.
Office towers to active duty.
It's like two completely different things, right? Because here I'm a combat soldier. I need to walk with my gun.
Stationed along the border with Lebanon, where firefights with Hezbollah fighters are intensifying. A few weeks ago, Shlomi was working as a software engineer at a Tel Aviv startup. Using a weapon or the web, there is a sense of urgency right now.
There's so much work to be done. It's not a time to take a breath and think about the past. It's time to act.
Actions they hope will help to end the war, so they can get back to their day jobs.
For months now, I've been talking about how AI and AI soldiers are already here, how technology is already out of control. And now we're going to go to the next step, where now AI is being used in war. And AI will be used even more and more, even could be used against our own citizens. These are things to consider, and I'll be talking about more AI, about how we have already talked about how AI is great in medicine, but AI is also being used now to create robots, technology, and now used in war. I hope you enjoyed this content. This is Casey from KC Grandpa Tech. Please give us a like, give us a share, give us a mash. If you like this content, please share. Leave your comments. I mean, it's really gone to the ultimate point where tech is being used in war. Anyway, you have a great day.